Show you here the before of these vases. Well, this vase is actually a series of 3 of them, and they're all different sizes with a slightly different shape on each of them. And I didn't get to film me painting the other 2, and they're going to be in a beautiful pink color. And again, they were a thrift store find, and I bought them some months ago. Actually, I bought them probably, it was way before the holiday season, just to give you some background. And I'm just going to paint them all in this Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover 2X paint, and it is in this beautiful pink color. I like it. It's called Candy Pink. And yeah, a couple of light coats, and we're going to bring in some pink as well for spring, or just in general, just some pink. So here are the 3 vases. Remember this one that I showed you I was getting ready to paint, and here is all 3 all painted up, and they turned out very well. And so let's style them up with some faux flowers. Of course, you could just leave them like this in a trio or a set of 3 and just let them sit, or we could style them up like I'm going to show you now. And I'm showing you here these stems on these faux flowers. These are excellent, good quality flowers that you can use, especially if you want to use them in a clear vase and use the acrylic water.